Hi, this is the video for Apple Harvest 2011 Chariot Race Design. This is the video that's going to help you know how to make your chariot so that you can compete at the Camporee this year. I'm going to go over some very important steps. You need to listen to all of them. These things have to be in place for a Boy Scout patrol to participate. Number one, Boy Scouts should not ride in the chariot. This is the way it's going to be. Number two, the chariot frame should have two wheels, at least two wheels. You can have more if you like. Number three, the frame that the wheel's attached to needs to be at least 12 inches by 12 inches. If you put an object on top, it needs to have an edge on it, and it needs to be able to carry a weight of a minimum of 100 pounds. So you need to make sure you think about that. The next is where the scouts pull needs to be at least 4 feet from the front of the chariot. And as they pull, they need to be outside the wheelbase. So there would be a Boy Scout here and a Boy Scout here. If one fell, they would not be run over by the chariot. And the pull has to be some type of wood or plastic or metal. You cannot use ropes to pull the chariot. A few final things is I would encourage you to make the design simple. Let the Boy Scouts do the design. Second, there shouldn't be any sharp edges anywhere so that there's not a place they can get injured, cut, or scratched. Remember, if you have questions on the design, ask. Don't take a chance. Call me or email me, and otherwise I'll see you at Apple Harvest 2011.